couple years ago, we talked about the top 10 trends. Last year, we talked about autonomous, nano, Internet of Things, digital trust, and the Internet of Me. And this year, we're going to talk about the ABCs, which are the things that are actually driving those super categories into society today. In A, there's artificial intelligence.
Everything is going extremely well.
In B, there's blockchain and what we call blur.
We actually have faces now and bodies, and we even look like ourselves.
And in C, there's the commoditization and consumption of data. So AI is the A in the ABCs of these mega categories or super categories, but it's almost the super category of super categories. AI today is driving decision process in our everyday life. At the advent of big data, everybody was really excited about being able to take massive amounts of data and see intricate patterns. What we've now seen is that taking those intricate patterns and applying human intervention that machines can then learn from is creating AI at a pace that's accelerating far beyond what we expected. So today we're seeing AI in things as prevalent as chatbots or virtual assistants, or in things as intricate as autonomous driving, or as important as medicine. Look for AI to be the overall super category probably for the next few years. So the B of the megatrends, well, we're going to call this blockchain and blur. So blockchain was a megatrend last year, and we wrapped that all up into actually the megatrend of digital trust. But it is the underlying blocks that is allowing digital trust to happen. However, what we're seeing in blockchain is that it's actually leading the advent of what we're now calling blur, which is the mixing of the digital world and the physical world. But blockchain itself allows for massive amounts of data or data points to be verified without human intervention. This is allowing cross-platform interaction between, say, gaming data and transaction data, or social data, or medical data, right? All coming from different types of blockchains to interact so that you and I can have an experience in the physical world. But with blockchain, being able to verify all kinds of different data from all kinds of different platforms, and massive amounts of it, without human intervention, actually allows the other parts of blur to interact with each other and make sure that the data or the information that's being presented or transacted upon is real. Now, an obvious one would be augmented reality. But we see augmented reality today more of an experience where we're in a gaming environment and we're experiencing it in 3D. But where it's commercializing to right now is I'm going into a grocery store in AR and I'm actually looking at the physical products that I want to be buying. Now I can augment that with some other digital experiences, couponing for something simple, or maybe information about the farm from where that apple was grown, and I can be making decisions and transactions and completely immersing myself in a new reality, which is this reality of blur. So look for blur to continue to be an integral part of these megatrends. So the C of the megatrends is the consumption and commoditization of data. Now you can probably tell that data is a big theme in all of the megatrends. So what we're now getting used to, however, is that much data being prevalent. We're actually compartmentalizing data as humans and how we want to use it. So every day I'm using, and you're using, more and more data, right, in order to make decisions or in order to experience things in the real world. The more that we are using that data, the more that the AI understands how we want to consume that data and is commoditizing it in a bigger way. So a huge part of the megatrends all going forward is how we consume and how we commoditize data. Thanks so much for joining us for the 2017 Trends video.